Hey guys, so today I'm going to be reviewing the BeeShape waist trainer legging. I've never seen anything like this. It's super innovative, and you guys know that I really love trying things that are new, that have never come out. You guys know I'm like this. So yeah, I'm really super excited to share with you what I think about these leggings. So do you want me to? Want me to? So do you want me to? Want me to? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Leslie and I am super excited for this haul. So the company, like I said before, is called BeeShape. I will put their website in the description box. I'm pretty sure I also was offered a coupon code as well, so if this review does go well, you guys can go ahead and pick up your own. Okay, so I do have a 30% off discount code, and the code is XOLeslie. I will also put that in the description box below. I'm really super excited because, like I said, I love trying new things that are innovative. So it came in this packaging. It says thank you for coming. It says thank you for coming in that special day. I didn't come in, it was sent to me. But this is the packaging that it comes in, and then it came into with this, and it says BeeShape. Yeah, so I'm a little bit scared because I'm pretty sure they only go up to an extra large, guys, and that is the size I got. You guys know I am a size 16. Usually I'm a 1X, but this is what the legging looks like. The materials that soft. I call it like slick. It's like a slick material. It isn't like cottony. So that might be a little bit of concern, because usually things like that make my crack come out. But this is a waist trainer legging, so I don't see that happening. And it says this is in a different language, so I don't know the context of the leggings, unfortunately. But yeah, this is not my favorite material. However, it is like pretty tight. I'm gonna go ahead and put them on for you guys. And as you can see, it has 3 clip rows, so that's good. And y'all already know I'm gonna start with the first one because I do not be playing games. But my only thing is like how, because it looks like it's supposed to go like this. So how do I get it to the first one comfortably? Like I feel like there'll be like a little bulge. I'm a little concerned. This is what I'm wearing now. This is what I look like regularly. This is my sports bra from Gymshark. And these are my favorite leggings from Express that are now getting a hole in it. So I'm gonna put them on and I'll tell you what I think. I'm gonna tell you my only concern about this. When I have to go pee, I have to clip this every time. Every time. Every time. So I'm a little, and obviously it's not gonna have a hole in the crotch because it's a legging. Whatever, I'm putting them on. Oh no, these are not gonna fit. Oh no, that's not. All right, I'll be right back. Not even a little bit. Not even a tiny bit. I want to show you, but I feel very exposed. See if I can show you. They did not make it. My crack is out. My crack is literally out. Maybe I'll have my little sister try them on for you guys because not gonna happen. Not even close. Not even close. All right, let's see what my sister is doing. All right, guys, I got my sister in here. I'm not gonna show you like her up here because she's not prepared. She's doing this as a favor. So I'm gonna show you like here down. She is, let's see.
I'm over here struggling to do this. What size are these supposed to be?
Those are supposed to be like extra large. Okay. Yeah. So she was struggling getting them on. She was struggling getting them on, and it was like around her hip. She couldn't get them, and I couldn't get them up past my butt. But
then again, I'm also clipping it on like the tightest one. But yeah, because I want to be snatched. Like,
your butt looks great. Right. I will say so myself. Because they have like the U underneath the butt. Oh. So your butt looks really freaking good. If you can just get them on. But look, the string is already. Look, the string is coming out.
Oh no. Yeah.
Already. So what do you think?
They're comfortable, like. They're just a little snuggly, like, to get into. But, like, I guess I look snatched.
Your butt looks great. Show them your ass.
I guess I'm looking hippie.
So a string came out, guys, and I think it's because, like, I popped it. Like, I was hearing snaps and pops. So it's my fault, I think. But they look so good on you.
I'm giving hips or whatever.
Tighten this and see what it looks like.
I definitely
like
around
yeah.
it.
Okay. Look at how you look, though.
Giving hips, giving no bra on, giving Mrs. Incredible.
Yeah, but you look really
like snatchy.
Yeah.
Giving, I just got my BBL, so I have on a faja. I know it's a faja. But yeah, they're comfortable or whatever. Give you guys a 360. Bow.
Your skin looks great on camera, though. I'm not even gonna front. All right, well, guys, this is what happens. Luckily, I have a little sister that, you know, is smaller than me. So thank you for helping me out today.
Period.
So would you recommend them, you think?
I mean, if this is what if you care, because I don't really care about, like, my stomach and leggings. Like, usually I just have my little pouch and I don't really care. But if that's something that you care about and, like, you're insecure about your, like, little gut, like, and you want to wear, like, stuff tight with your leggings, I feel like this is good. Because, like, also I feel like if they fit me a little better, I wouldn't have, like, rollies. Like, like, I feel like if this was somebody's size, like, I don't have a whole lot of, like, stuff going over it. So I feel like that'd be cute for them.
Yeah, so you don't think it's your size either?
Yeah, I mean, it fits, but, like, maybe if I did it, like, a little, the next one down.
Yeah.
But, like, it's not that much, even though it's tight, like, it's not that bad.
And it's not like you have to wear a shirt that comes down. So, but what if you were, like, waist training just on the regular?
And then, yeah, I would just, I could just wear this all the time. Like, they're comfortable. Like, I don't feel like it's tight because I know that it's tight because I'm looking in my mirror and I see my stomach is like that. But, like, I don't feel it. Like, I could just go like that. Like,
okay, so they're comfortable.
It's not bad. Like, I could sit. Like, I can imagine myself sitting on a flight like that. But, like,
so I like the way they make your butt look. I'm not even gonna lie though. Your butt looks so good.
I'm glad.
It's like the part underneath. Like, if you go to your, like, if you can come to my mirror later, you'll be able to see, or go in your mirror or whatever. But all right, so I do have a coupon code. So if you do want to try them for yourself, you can. It will be in the description box. Thank you again, Lauren. I will blur you out as much as I can, unless you don't care.
Honestly, it's fine.
You literally don't look bad. She just has her bonnet on.
I have a stain on my shirt, guys. So if you have a problem with stains on shirts, yeah.
And then comment below if you think she should start a YouTube channel because she's freaking hilarious. She's literally and her TikToks go viral for no reason. So if you want to follow her on TikTok, what is your TikTok?
Don't follow me on TikTok, guys.
What is it?
But my TikTok is Boring Lauren, but it doesn't have a G. So it's BORIN, Lauren with a Y, because, you know, I'm Lauren Hill. Lauren is only human.
Period. All right, thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.